Hey everybody, this is Mike Stroud with Stroud's Building Supply and Steel Trusses. Kind of want to show you how the overhang on the trusses and the width of the truss, the cord, and how much it comes down on the post. As you can see here, the way the truss is made, let me see if I can pan out just a little bit. You see it sitting right on top of the post there. You can look at the tape measure. The truss is going to sit down about 1 foot on the inside wall, which is going to be about right here. That's going to be your inside height. So the post here at the top, 1 foot down. So that'd be your inside wall. And then your outside eave would be a foot taller. So 16-foot post, 3 foot in the ground, 13-foot eave right there. And then you've got your overhang on every truss. You can cut those off if you're doing a commercial building right here. And so that's how everything looks. So let's go to another part right here and kind of show you how it looks from the ground, the centers and everything else. Okay, so we're down on the ground now. We're going to show you the height that you have in your clearance up to the stabilizer bar. Now Ben's up on the ladder there, and so he's got it hooked to the stabilizer bar. Now that's not going to the peak there, but that's just to the stabilizer bar. So if you're pulling in a RV or you kind of want to know your heights there on this 412 pitch, that'll let you know what it is. So right there where his hand is 6 foot. So hold on just one moment, we're gonna see the bottom. Okay, here it is. That's 15 foot 5 inches to the bottom of that tape right there. So that's the clearance you're going to have in the middle to that stabilizer bar is 15 foot 5 inches. Okay, now you can see to the peak from the stabilizer bar to the very, like to the ridge cap, the height of the overall thing, you can see it's going to be 3 feet more. So that's what you're looking at. Alright, so that kind of gives you the dimensions and the widths. This is a 40-foot wide truss right here. So that was the overhangs and the pitch setting down on the roof. And then you can see across there, 40 foot, there's the peak. You can figure all this is going to be less than $6 a square foot under roof. We've always got deals going on, so give us a call. So this is a neat system, and that's kind of your measurements and your heights on all your posts, and that'll help you kind of determine any kind of height issue you have with your kits and those kind of things. Our kits come on 16-foot posts, so you got 3 foot in the ground, 13 foot out. We always figure 12-foot eave height. And so you can see what you're going to have right there with those kind of eave heights. God bless you. Visit us at StroudsBuildingSupply.com.